This is gonna blow your mind, or rather blow your nose. Let's talk sneezes. So, what really happens when you sneeze? Your body's got this super cool defense mechanism. Imagine a ninja, but inside your nose. When dust or pollen invades, your nose calls for backup. First, your brain gets the message, intruder alert. Then your diaphragm and chest muscles team up. They take a deep breath like they're gearing up for a big finish. And then, achoo! Your body expels those pesky particles at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah sprinting. But wait, there's more. Did you know sneezing is a full-body workout? Your face, throat, and even your stomach muscles join the party. It's like a mini dance-off every time you sneeze. So next time you let out a big sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of saying, I've got this. Stay sneezy, my friends, and don't forget to cover your nose.